Stock market down 83 points on Monday. Ooh, we're worried. Then up 70 points on Tuesday. What are these people smoking? Could the bad bully boys of Beijing hurt our economy and our stock market going forward? And Paul's got 2 stocks to sell and 2 to buy. I'm Peter Switzer.
I'm Paul Rickard.
And we're mad about money. I'm mad about Beijing as well, but this guy.
I like that bad bully boys of Beijing. That's almost. There's an of in there, but there's almost a quadruple alliteration.
I think there might be. I think there might be complaining to Facebook, Paul. Apparently, we're being blocked. Beijing's getting blocked.
Right. Right. We're going to be. We're going to be nice.
Let's go this way. Important point. Stock market down, and we're all worried. And now it's up again, Paul. What's going on?
Look, Monday was end of month, Peter, and I've had a great run in the market, up 10% in November. Look, we were due for some profit taking. I'm actually
fund managers taking profit, you reckon?
Yeah, I'm a bit more surprised by Tuesday's rally. I couldn't work out why it started up on Monday, so being down didn't shock me. Secondly, I thought Tuesday would be a bit quiet. It rallied 70 points. Again, a bit unclear, but I guess that just shows you the momentum there's, Peter. People want to buy stocks. I'm getting waylaid in the street now by people saying, "Should I buy something?"
Oh, really? Get waylaid?
So I don't know. I don't know.
Man.
It's a little bit. It's getting. I wouldn't say it's euphoric, but we're not. We're getting there, aren't we?
Yeah, that's right. I think the important point is this, or the question is, have we had our Santa Claus rally? You know, this famous rally towards the end of the year. Have we already had it, or do you think if the vaccine news keeps on coming, the market will keep rising?
Well, I was going to say, I said to you yesterday, Peter, I thought the market might go off for a couple of weeks in December and we get the Santa Claus rally really post at the end. Yeah. Not so sure about that now. There seems to be still that lot of money, and we're going to take the lead from the US. Biden's picked some Treasury going down well. He's doing the right thing so far. Donald's just sulking. That's okay as long as he doesn't do anything crazy, playing golf. So maybe, and the signs, maybe the US, the numbers may have peaked on the infection rate. So time to see whether we get another post-Thanksgiving wave, or whatever they call it. But there was some slightly encouraging data there as well. So
the bell ringer, by the way, has gone missing. You know?
He has. Well, I thought we'd move on to the next topic.
Yeah, we should go.
I'm padding here now.
And it's kind of relevant. There he goes. He's woken up and done his job. The bad bully boys of Beijing. And I don't like picking on anybody, but these guys are overplaying their hand, Paul, aren't they?
They are, and I can't see how Australia gets out of it until the rest of the world knows you don't play with China, right?
Yeah.
And this is the lesson that's being sent to us.
Unless we all gang up, Paul. Every country of the world gangs up on China.
That's pretty hard, and we'll see what happens. Now, does that mean there's opportunity stocks like TWE down again on Monday, Tuesday, Friday, 3 days in a row? Yeah. I got a feeling it's got to be nearby territory, right?
Yeah,
I know when stocks get hit, particularly when you get bad news, the buying on the fall is actually a recipe for disaster. Yeah. Normally there's 3 waves down.
The falling knife.
The falling knife, you don't catch that. It's usually a mistake. But this isn't anything TWE has done. This is just, it's lost a customer or lost a market. Yeah. It's got to go and find another market. It's been working on it. You've got to think there's a value, though, for TWE. It's going to be a very attractive proposition. I don't know what the level is. Yeah. To an acquirer or private equity. If someone says, this company has got world-leading brands. You cannot recreate the Penfolds brand. It is worth something. Yeah. I've got a feeling we're getting close, Peter. So I think TWE, my next nibble stock, stick up for, won't worry about China. Get in there. I might be regretting that statement a week's time.
Very courageous, Paul Rickard. You won't see that very often. But the interesting thing is A2 Milk's probably in the same case as well. Going down, good quality company.
Look, I like A2 Milk, Peter. It hasn't fallen as fast. I've bought some A2 Milk the other day.
It's not being picked on because they're Kiwis.
They're Kiwis,
they're
right?
Kiwis.
So let's hope that the whole, let's go the Kiwis, right?
Okay. Finally, 2 stocks you like, 2 want to sell. We won't give too much away because people should read the Switzer report to get the full details. But what are the 2 you want to buy and what are the 2 you want to sell? Yeah,
look, the 2 I want to buy are Next DC. That's got caught up in the whole rotation trade. I think there's real value there. Another one I'm looking at is carsales.com. We have some really powerful arguments about why the motor vehicle market, particularly the second-hand market, is going to do better. Yeah. You can read about that. Tony Featherston in the Switzer report was pretty bullish about what he calls is the home price effect and how that's going to spread into other markets.
And it's hard to go overseas, so people will be exploring their local
And we've seen the car retailers, the specialty car retailers, 4-wheel drive companies like Babcock do well as people have spent money we've got to think that that's going to help some parts of the car market as well. So I think there's the ones I want to sell, Peter. These are companies I like.
Good
right?
companies overpriced.
These are good companies. These are just to buy back in at a lower price. Bit of portfolio trimming. One is Xero. I love the stock, Peter, but at $133, $134, I think that's gone too far. The other one I think is Seek. A bit less. I put Xero in a different category to Seek, but Seek at around $26.50. I reckon it's getting fully valued. Look, I've got a bit of risk.
Buy it on the dip.
Buy it on the dip. I'd rather buy when it's a bit cheaper. So two to lighten off. But there in the Switzer report, the reasons why, what to buy instead, and some really fantastic other ideas from our key writers.
And you can get a free trial to see if it's any good. And what you'll find is, yes, it is very good. I'm Peter Switzer.
I'm Paul Rickard.
And we're mad about money.
Shh.